Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. All right, guys, so there's the brisket. We're going outside right now with it to go start the smoker with the smoking tube. We're going to smoke it for 4 hours. Look how beautiful that is. Look at that. Nom, 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 nom. That's going to be amazing. And it's got nice marbling and everything. So we're doing smoking and then we're going to cook it sous vide style, okay? So our first, my mouth's watering. So my first job is to smoke it, get that meat flavored. So we're not going to do heavy anything that will take away from the smoke flavoring. I believe I asked Tammy for mesquite pellets. She's in the garage right now. I better go check. But smoke it first. So take it outside, put it in the barbecue with the smoking tube. Let that tube burn for 4 hours. I'll show you. Okay, we just filled the smoking tube up with pellets. I'm gonna bring those out right now. Oh my gosh, it's mesquite. It's my favorite. It's my favorite. I love mesquite. That's like the best flavor ever. So we're probably gonna season it later with minimal stuff. But you've got the gas to light the pellets.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ready?
And this is what it looks like after a rainy day. You got your meat on there. We got our smoking mats so we can smoke both sides of the meat. We don't need the smoker on. We just need the cover closed, okay? So we're gonna smoke that beautiful baby right there. Oh, it's gotta be the turkeys. Where are they? Oh, ain't got time to spend on no turkeys, so let's get these pellets lit. Oh, that's my wife talking to the turkeys. Stop it, honey. I'm trying to do a video on brisket. So there's the smoking tube. So when the ashes fall, I'm going to have her pull the meat over a little bit so that the ashes don't fall on the meat. She hates touching meat.
I just washed my hands.
Oh, you just washed your hands? Just leave it. It's fine. That's good. You're good. Okay. So she's got the grill gun right now. She's going to fire that up. Be careful. Oh, yeah. That grill gun works better than anything I've ever used. Get in there a little bit more, a little closer.
This is a Pyro's freaking fantasy right there.
That's right. Love the grill gun. You just attach it to one of those camping propane tanks or something bigger, depending on how much you need. You're gonna hit it again. Here we go. Sometimes starting your pellets can be a pain in the butt. All right, move out of the way now. There you go. Let that burn for like a minute or two, and then we'll blow it out. Oh, it's smoking good. We should just blow it out now.
Hold on.
That's all mesquite. I can smell it. Trap it in there. Close the lid. Well, you also gotta, there you go. That's what I like seeing right there. Okay, you gotta blow that flame out. Blow that out. There you go, close the lid now. Hard blow, hard blow. There we go. So our smoker is smoking, but it's not plugged in. See the cord? We're just using it as a containment device for the meat so we can get it flavored, okay? So in about 3 hours or 4 hours, that should be done. The pellets should be done smoking, and then we will transfer it to sous vide. It's gonna be fun. Let's flavor it first. So this brisket is completely raw, but it's been cold smoked. All I smell in the kitchen right now is mesquite coming off that meat. So it's been flavored. So now we're gonna season it, and then we're gonna wrap it for tonight, and then we'll cook it tomorrow in the morning, okay? My mom raised me on 4 basics: salt, pepper, garlic, and onion. So let's do that right now. We're gonna do some salt. I'm using coarse salt, kosher. Okay. We're gonna do pepper. Love pepper in my meat. Now some granulated garlic. And some granulated onion. You're gonna do this to both sides of the meat. I'm not gonna show you us doing it to both sides. So here's the game plan. This is at 130. I'm taking the meat to 130 for 24 hours. Then I'm gonna finish it off in the oven. I'm gonna use the broiling flame, and I'm gonna bring it to 145 in the oven. Okay? So we're gonna cook this at 130 for literally 24 hours. So let me get the meat real quick. All right, I took it to room temperature, so let's put it in the bath right now. Get it all underwater. And it looks like it's staying underwater. Looks like I don't have to worry about it. We're gonna wait 24 hours, then we'll take it out and we will finish it off, give it an outer crust with the broiler flame and cook it all the way to 145. Okay, so let's do a quick little rundown. So we smoked the meat, cold smoked it, meaning there was no heat when we smoked it. We just lit the smoking tube and let it smoke the meat in mesquite for 4 hours. Then we brought it in here. We stuck it in a food saver. We shrunk wrapped it. I guess that's how you say it. Shrunk wrapped it. We shrink wrapped it. That's even better. All right, anyway, so it's been a long night. So this has been cooking all night at 130 degrees. So what I want is 145, roughly medium rare, medium, somewhere around there, about 145. So I've been cooking this at 130 degrees for 24 hours. So I'm going to take it out of the plastic. First, I'm going to put it on this right here because it's going to get all drippy and wet and everything. I'm going to set it down. I'm going to cut the bag open. Then I'm going to flip the meat and get it under the broiler in the oven so we can give it an outer crust. It's too big for a cast iron. If it was just a steak in here, I would just throw that in butter. I'd be good to go. So anyway, wish me luck. Let's get this transferred to there. And then we'll give it the outer crust, and that should be it. And then we have our smoked sous vide brisket, and we get to try it out too. And we're gonna have my smashed Brussels sprouts, that video I did. We're gonna have that with this. It's awesome because I got that all stored and saved. All right, let's do it. All right, guys. So here's the crazy part. So I cut the end off. It slid out of the bag a little bit. I let all the juice out. There was tons of juice from it cooking. I'm gonna slowly take the bag off now. Okay, got rid of the bag. So I'm literally winging this. I've never done this recipe before. It smells amazing. It's super tender right now. I'm gonna give it an outer crust. Let me get the broiler started and we'll pop this in just 1 second. Got a nice crust on the outside. I just hit it on the broil in the oven to give it an outer crust. So let's let that rest and I will see you guys in about 10 minutes. I figure the grain's running this way. So let's turn this bad boy just a little bit so you can see what we got here. All right. Here we go. It smells so good. Absolutely beautiful. Look at the color on that. That looks gorgeous. Look at that. This came out perfect. This came out amazing. It smells amazing. It's juicing all over the place. It's gonna be delicious. I know it. What was the other thing? Smoking and sous vide go together, obviously. This was really tender. Let's give it a try and see if the flavor's all there. It looks like it cooked perfect. I just have to give it a try. So let's cut a tiny piece off here. There we go. Oh, man. Oh, man. This is so tender. Amazing. Guys, home run, A+. I can't tell you enough. You got to try this. If you have a sous vide machine, smoke it, cold smoke it. You don't need a smoker. You can use any barbecue. Just keep it closed. All right? Bring it in and go ahead and sous vide it all night, 24 hours. Then pop it under a browning wire or a broiling flame, or you can even put it in a cast iron if you got one big enough. I don't think you do. You may cut it in pieces. I don't even know. It's all up to you, but I got to tell you, this came out amazing. So good. I wish you could try it right now. Anyway, I love you guys for watching. I'm glad it came out great, and I will see you on the next episode. Take care. Bye-bye.